How would you react to the situation on ground now in Nigeria?
My brother, thank God once for all for life that God has given to us. The situation of this country is very more than poor. It's very, very bad. That when they are going up, they are going to break down. People are not happy over this country. Though we know that it will happen like that because by the time where you're on power, you use by all means whatever you get to enter power. You use people as a rag, as a weapon. And there are some maggots in this country that are the cause of our problems. Those that are eating when things are rotten. They don't think about any other people. They don't think about any other person. They only think about I, me, myself, I, myself, I, my family, I, my family. Not thinking whether others are dying or they are not dying. Well, the major thing that makes me not to surprise, like as a Christian, the Bible says that the strangers are eating the inhabitants of the land. Look at what the Chinese are using and used to do. When you thought they say they did it, and it's true. When they do it, you go to government will sign them up. You are the ones suffering. They are the strangers that are not enjoying this country now. So, my brother, I'm not happy over what is happening in this country. The youths are not happy. I stand before the youth. None of them is happy, no matter how it is. Thank you.
Fuel is 1,150 naira today. Did you actually voted for APC government?
I didn't.
Why?
Because I know they don't have anything to offer. Because we've been with them for long. They don't have anything to offer. And beside that, we are saying change. Yes, it's good. Let's be changing. Like this one now, APC is on power now. But next time, maybe PDP is on power. By next time, maybe AD is on power. You said that this Nigeria will shaping up because you adjust yourself, you plan yourself that if I thought that I did not do well, the other part will come up with probably I'll be in problem. So I have to mind myself and know where to follow. But by the time when you come out, your brother come in, you come, things will not work well. So that is why so it will just remain like that. But I thank God for God that sustained us till this time. If not, what we are passing through is out of hand. That nobody, it's only God, nobody can be able to withstand it.
But the government is saying that you should exercise patience.
For how long can we exercise patience? Until when we die, things they will exercise patience. You say that this is not good, you come to repair. When you continue are getting worse. Now, they say like you, if I come now and say you are not doing well, leave this place, you are not, I'm the one to do well. When I come, become worse and worse and worse, then exercise patience, how can I exercise patience for how long? For how many years? The day we are going more day by day, people are getting old. People are not getting younger every time again. We said of the time of Jonathan time, forget about that things are very decent. How much are we buying a cup of rice? How much bag of rice? But today now, what is happening now? You understand? There are some casuals that they are paying them 25,000, 35,000. How can they buy, and they have like 2 or 3 children with their wives? How can they feed their family? A bag of rice is almost 100,000 naira. Not to talk of other things. Tomato now, a seed of tomato now is almost getting to 500 naira. You can't even buy onions again. You understand? We are not talking of fish or other things that we are going to buy again. So why should we be happy? Any man or woman or boy or girl or you that is serving this company is a fool. And it will remain like that because you don't know where he's standing. So that is it.
Okay, at this point now, what do you think Nigeria should have done they are not doing better?
Fine. The Nigerians, they know the problem of this country. I know everybody can never be rich, but they know the things where they will touch. Okay, someone will carry billions. Like now, I'm from deltastate. My governor left, and at the end of the day, now I carry 3.3 trillion. What is he doing with it? What is he doing apart from the ones they are loaded and carried that? And when you go there, you say there's no money, no good roads, no job, no infrastructure, nothing, no help of the youth, and you carry 3.3 trillion. Do you know how much it is? The only thing that government will do, and when they arrested, when they called him, he now went to there by himself. Now we are not hearing anything about it now. If government know the needful to do, let them forget about tribalism or be my own person. That kind of person has to be arrested. All those money that they hold it and return it back to the government. That they should use it for betterment of the.
But don't you think it's an allegation for Ifeanyi Okowa to have, made away with such a money?
They cannot. There's in everything people are saying that's element of truth. How many times do they say that you root money out of this country or out of where we are saying here? There's element of the truth of everything that somebody is saying. If he didn't do, they will not say it. And if they say he did not do, okay, let them bring it in public. You understand? Let them interview him in public. Let them see him in public. Then people will talk. Then the person that said he saw it, and he will come and explain how it is. If I tell you that I saw one man carrying this thing out of this place, you come down, you ask me, I say, yes, I saw you. How do you carry it? Either you carry with your head, or with your leg, or with your hand. You understand? So you have to tell them how it is. Then if you can be able to defend it, the whole world will see it. There was a time we were listening to crime fighters. These days, where is that crime fighter? Because of one thing or the other, they are not saying the truth again. Formerly, I like listening to crime fighters because they say the truth and everything. But now, they have nowhere to be found again. One way or the other, because of bribery on that team, don't say the truth, don't decide it, they won't everywhere. So that's what's happening.
Has Nigeria ever worked as a nation?
They never.
Are you sure? Why would you say that?
They never, because
Nigeria have never worked as a nation before.
Oh, one, the major problem we're having.
Are you not being tribalistic with your statement?
Well, now listen to me now. The first thing we have is the region. That come up the first problem we are having. Secondly, tribalism enter. You understand? Fine, I'm from Delta, but I'm a complete Igbo man.
No. You are from Delta.
Yes.
You are a complete Igbo man.
Bam.
Are you sure?
Yes. So,
but Delta said they are not Igbo.
No, we have only 3 tribes. Either you be Hausa or Yoruba or Igbo. So any other one na waste of time. You understand? As a Delta man, they cannot create state and push him to Hausa, or create state and push me to Yoruba. It's not possible. And truly, if they want to create that, say Biafra, we cannot remain in Delta and be answering Nigeria. Maybe Yoruba don't go their own. So automatically we are Biafra. So anybody that says he's not an Igbo man, it's just the talk, just a talk. You understand?
Do you speak Igbo?
Very well. If you need that,
can you still speak Igbo on this platform?
We force on there. No, it's okay. Can they? So only a brand asking na onye data, boy Calabar, only Igbo on the waste his time, man. Obrahim Chalike join Aka together and fight for this Biafra. We know where we belong because we don't know where we belong now.
Okay, from the way you are saying, do you know that Delta, because of its oil-rich state, has contributed so enormously to the development of Nigeria in terms of resources, you know, and they are not getting much of these things in return, you know. At this point, do you see Mazin Nnamdi Kanu as somebody that should be celebrated?
Oh, it's a great man to be celebrated. It's a very great man to be celebrated. People are saying so many things against that man. Before they will single-handed and bring one person out and stand a gap before somebody, it's not about that person. Because not all can do it. Many tried it, they failed. We have Ohanese. Do they not try it? And truly, when I say that as a Delta man, I'm proud of Biafra, and I believe in God in Biafra. When you think about that Biafran war, that it's Delta that fight the war.
Thank you.
Yes, I can mention about 5. They are from my village, Koko people that stand the war. Achuze is number 1. Ifa Juna is number 1. Nzogwu is there. So many of them are being the call. My father is part of them, but my father is not of them. So that is it. So anybody that says we are not Biafra is wasting time. We are part and parcel and the root of itself. But some may say that we cannot take them because when they come now, because they are one time they are off, they will take the president. It's not like that, not as they think. When they are going to president, this one will say, I will do this, I will do that. When they got there, it's not what they think they meet in that place. That was the thing they say. Somebody at home we tell you say I want to go to farm. If I reach there, I will do like 3 or 4 portions of land. As a farmer, when you reach there, you feel there are rope we call akore wey big. You can use a week to cut one. You cannot even to cut off that one. So not what you think where you sit down, you need to where you go. So what happens is that if they can know that we are also part of and parcel and the root of Biafra, let's fight it. Carry is a great man. He's a man to be celebrated. Nobody can stand that. They made it and so many offer with the man. He refuses. It's just like this South African man. Mandela. You understand? But some of us are betraying the man. Some of us are betraying the man. we are not in unity. And if we are not in unity, what will we do? Some when they plan to do something as youth, so we sneak out and go and give them because of what they want job. They don't think about tomorrow. They are always like, let me eat today. If I die tomorrow, let me remain. That's survive. That's what we are suffering. But if Igbo can speak in one language, we get what we want. This country is too big. Okay, let's start from if they come to the foundation of this country before getting independent. And before they mention president, like mention one Igbo man, someone like Nnamdi Azikiwe. Okay, after Nnamdi Azikiwe, who do you mention again for Igbo land? Nobody. Before Jonathan went to there, they know how they manipulated it. But when they said I want to make wave, they push it out. You understand? Okay, look at the election they did. Both devil, both heaven and earth know that Obi won the election. But what has come over it now? You understand? And they're still making man saying that yes, they did not vote them, but they are there. We know what happened. And we keep quiet, we're working on it because there are maggots that are eating when things are rotting. They don't think about the masses, they don't think about the youth. But let them not worry. God is God. One day we reach. By the time where we go carry, even though things are collapse or stick, they will carry. If not kill us, we could die. We are in war, but we never carry gun. We are spiritual war. You understand? Look at many things we are passing through, especially Igbo in particular. They are passing so many. That was why, when it comes of election and politics, they leave them because they are abandoned in so many ways, so many things. If problem come here, we are here. They say Igbo must go. Okay, Igbo must go. We agree to go. Let us go now. They say we should not go. They didn't say it again. They want to do that thing. They will go and begin to destroy Igbo shops and other things. What concerns them? You understand? If thank God for the last one they did that police give law that they should not protest inside the village, the towns, they should go to one place. People wanted to protest inside the town, but they pushed them out. That was why we are saved. Some of our properties, some of our shops and the market were saved. So anybody that that is happy in this country are wasting time. Me as a Delta man, I'm not supposed to be. I'm supposed to be in Delta enjoying my life. If they are doing it well. But even in Delta, they have their own problem too. Because there are people that are sent to go and represent us there. When they do that, they represent their pocket and their mouth. Okay, when they come back, they say kidnapping. Let me tell you one thing. I want to tell you one thing. They said about kidnapping in Delta. They don't kidnap anyhow. They bring you to go to Federal, Abuja, to go and make sure that our own reach ourselves. Then when you go to that place, they will give you like 10 million. They rather they give you 20 million. Then when you come back, you say they give you 5 million. The chiefs and the others and the other, they share the 5 million. When they go and say they don't give them anything. We go to government say we are giving you money now to develop your area now. Then what will be there? They say they not give them. Okay, now tell us best where you give that money. What could know how to handle it? They won't talk because the money they say they give them is not up to the money they wrote there. Because if they say, okay, you give money, no, you give me 1 million, no, not 10 million where you write it. So they were unable to talk. So that now, you say, well, they cannot stay like that now. Something like this. They carry you. Before you know it, the money come out where they say they settle themselves. If you go to Delta, you see suffering there. No land to farm. And you say, go back to farm. Fish, not there because of oil. All the fish are dry finish. Pure water, we are saying they are buying here now. When they are buying 300 naira. As far back as 2-3 years ago, it was one pure water 150. Now I don't know whether it's up to 500. You can't even see it there. You understand? So the thing is very bad. Let them come down. Let the presidency come down and think. They have enough. They are rich. I don't know where they're taking the money to. Let them look at us. The places that we can eat small. This rice matter we are talking about, if they open border, things will come down. We begin to buy things small like that. But they refuse. But some part of the people, they have access to go and carry and come. But me and you that have not the opportunity. So we are not happy over what is happening in this country. Thank you.
Are you surprised that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, will you say he has failed Nigerians or failed Yorubas?
To our president, me, I respect him. But going to that place, they know he's not going to do anything. One, he found himself in a midst of different people that don't speak one language. That is one. Secondly, the man is good to be a father, but not to be a leader. He was once the governor of this Lagos state. We know him. We know what he can do. He can organize. What he's supposed to do is to look for somebody and sponsor the person and send him to that place. Not to say, let me just go. If you go, he cannot. One is old. His brain is too getting old. He cannot collect so many things. Like the things that the young people cannot do, he cannot be able to do it. One of my brother was with my brother. My brother is of 60-something years of age. There was a plank that put on the gutter. We wanted to cross it. I jumped the plank. As they say, no, that was dead. Now I cannot be able to fly again. He now managed to pass there. So if he's a young person, he can be able to make a way. That's what I'm even saying. Let us see. Let us try young people. Whether they will make way. Because people that are old people, they are